Yo, what's up, everyone? I'm about to open up some keycaps from Alpha Keycaps. These are two Keyporas that just came in today. So, yeah, I'm gonna opening me up right now. First off, two of these. This has happened during the Black Friday sale, I believe. And it looks like I have the Grookey. These are basically certificates of authenticity. I guess I'm 3 of 12 for one of these, which is pretty cool, knowing that there's only 12 of these made. Pretty cool to have some authenticity to these caps, as they're pretty sought after. So definitely a good idea to make sure they're authentic. So pretty cool they included these. So this one's 3 of 12. I believe this one's green. And then this one's called the Galaraian Puke. And this one's gonna be 3 of 16. A little signature there. Also came with two super cool Alpha Keycap stickers, as well as this quick notice saying stuff about the new stem, about if you want to soak in hot water before you attach. It will, you can use it to make sure that it fits your stems properly. So it's cool. Definitely see them making changes, and good to know if I needed to do this. We'll find out once I place my caps in my board, but hopefully I won't have any problems. But yeah, let's go over to opening up what these caps actually look like. Come in this pretty sweet sealed bag here. I'm gonna go ahead and tear this up. Oh yes, these are nice bags. I believe both of them are inside here, so we'll find out. I've actually never received one of these caps before, so I'm really excited about this. Like, I've always lost every raffle, so it's kind of cool actually being able to receive some of these caps. But here we go. Oh my, oh wow. So here's our first one. I do believe that's the Galaraian Puke. And then here's the second one, the Grookey, I believe. Wow, look at this detail here. I really like this lime color, which basically during the Black Friday sale you could have picked which caps you want to prioritize, and this is one of mine that I really wanted because I have a lime green keyboard key set. Let me zoom into this real quick. Yeah, it's really, you can see all the details with the face right here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. See some little yellow details and the brown going down the forehead there. It's pretty amazing the amount of detail that goes into these caps. Just the textures, and even the little beak. You got a little orange niblet there. It's pretty awesome. And look at those eyes. Oh my gosh. If I had like a birthday cake like this, I'd be one happy person. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Here's the stem. You can see the Alpha Keycaps imprint under the cap on the butt. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, I've been looking forward to getting these for a while, so I'm really excited for this one here. And then the next one we have is the Galaraian Puke. Nice. I actually thought this would look good with Cat Eternal, so that's kind of why I wanted this one. And I'm pretty excited for that set to put this on. But yeah, this is my opening, and hope you enjoyed watching it. Okay, bye.